Welcome to the tutorial on how to use rasterized attributes directly in a combo overlay. In this tutorial we will calculate the amount of senior men and women in a neighborhood by adding and multiplying attributes. We will start by selecting current situation in the ribbon bar. To add a combo overlay, hover over Overlays in the ribbon bar. Under Add New, hover over Grid Calculation, and select Combo. With Combo Overlay selected, select the Input tab. For Input, select Attribute, Specific Layer, and for the layer, select Neighborhoods. Next, click on the Select button for Attribute A and select Mannen, which is Dutch for men. Next, click on the Select button for Attribute B and select Vrouwen, which is Dutch for women. Finally, click on the Select button for Attribute C and select Percentage Person in 65 jaar en ouder, which is Dutch for percentage of people that are 65 years and older. With the attributes configured, select the General tab. We will now create a formula that calculates the amount of senior men and women. Click on the Enlarge link next to Formula. With the Formula panel open and add attribute A and B. Divide attribute C by 100 to make it a fraction. And multiply these two results. We can finish the formula by rounding the multiplication result. Click on the Save button to store the result. Finally, click on the Update Now button to update the combo overlay. You have now learned how to use multiple attributes in a single combo overlay.